welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today I'm going to be doing an exciting mukbang. I'm going to be trying the best tasting cookies in the world. So if you guys are interested in seeing what these cookies are about, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so these cookies are actually from Brooklyn Bread, which is a bagel bar slash cafe, and they are actually designer cookies with cookie dough filling inside. So before we get started, before I get to tasting these, I'm going to tell you guys the names of each cookie so you guys can know what they're about. So this first cookie is an Oreo Cheesecake cookie, and it's so cute because it has a little Oreo right at the top. I'm gonna show you guys better close-ups once I start eating them. This one is probably my favorite one because it's blue, but this one is the Cookie Monster cookie. And how, like, it's so perfect. This one is the Unicorn cookie. So this one's also pretty cool. This one is Raspberry Almond. This one is your regular chocolate chip. This one is probably the one I'm most excited to try. It's a confetti cookie. We have chocolate peanut butter cup, strawberry PB&J, oatmeal apple pie, and this one is churro Nutella. Yum. Okay, you guys, so I'm not gonna eat all of these, but I'm gonna definitely try all of these and break these open so you guys can see the goodness that's inside. But I'm gonna go heat these up so it's nice and warm, and I'm excited to try. All right, you guys, we're all warmed up and ready to go, and I have my oat milk here. So we're gonna start off with this Cookie Monster one. Yes, look how tasty that looks. And everything, the cookie dough is nice and melted. You see the chocolate chips just completely melted. And I'm about to eat this first. I'm gonna go for the big boy bite right in the middle where the cookie dough is. You guys, there isn't many words to describe this because it's just that good. I've never had a cookie like this. I've never seen something like this. Like cookie dough inside of a cookie. It literally just, it has so much flavor. Like the outside, the blue part of it tastes like a regular like sugar cookie. And then you have the chocolate chip cookie dough. I don't know what to say about it. It's just that good. But I cannot possibly sit here and eat all of these cookies, you guys. So we're doing like a taste test mukbang. So I'm gonna move on to my next cookie. I don't know how I could get better than that, but I know the Nutella one is around there, and Nutella's like one of my favorite things. I'm gonna go for the strawberry PB&J. I'm not a big fan of strawberry, but this looks good. Ooh, oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, and it's dripping. Oh, I don't know how to feel about this because I thought they all had cookie dough inside, but this one has like actual PB&J inside. I'm gonna just taste this little piece right here. Who gave them the permission to make such, I don't know. This tastes really good, like really, really good. All right, after that one, I definitely need some milk. That one was really like rich. Like you could eat that one right before bed type of thing. I mean, you can eat any of these before bed, but that one felt so soothing because of the jelly and the peanut butter. So now I'm gonna go for the unicorn one. Alright, so this one didn't have much of the spread effect, but it still has a really good feeling. It's like rainbow sprinkles, cheesecake, rainbow sprinkles. Oh, this looks a little bit too too sweet, but let's see. It also has glitter on it. I should stop talking before I eat these. Oh my god, that tastes like strawberry cheesecake. That is good.
I'm gonna have to stop myself.
So now I'm gonna try the confetti one. I love, well, funfetti. I love funfetti anything. Cakes, cupcakes, cookies. So we going in. Oh, this is like funfetti all throughout. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna take a tiny bite because I'm starting to get full. So, it's a funfetti cookie, funfetti cookie dough inside. It's like the crunchy, you get a little bit of the crunch on the outside and then that soft gooiness on the inside, you know, that cookie dough texture. Honestly, these cookies are so, I just want to go to bed now. I'm gonna go for the churro Nutella one because that's enough waiting. I've been trying to hold out on it, but no, it's time. Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. All right. I expect this to be my favorite one. I could just be done with life right now. Oh my god, this is mad good. This is like, it should cause as much issue as the Popeye chicken sandwich type thing. Like, this is how good these freaking cookies are. Oh my god. Let's move on. I'm gonna go for the raspberry almond one. Let's see what they're talking about. This one, it seems a little bit stuffed, so we might get a lot of filling in this one. All right, you guys, so yeah, this one is super duper stuffed. Like, look, it has a bunch of, like, I guess it's like jam, and it's so soft. I don't like raspberry like that. I forgot. I like raspberry. I'm like salivating a bunch, but I like raspberry, but raspberry like jelly and like gummy candy is sour, so I like it, but that's a bit much. Like, a kid who loves like sweets and stuff would probably love this, but it's probably gonna be my least favorite. But it's really good still. It's yummy, but I need a lot of milk after that one. We're gonna have to go to this one because we're gonna go for the Oreo cheesecake. Oreos are my favorite cookie. I said this in one of my videos before, so you guys know. This better be good or else I'm gonna go sign a petition somewhere. Oh, do you guys see the steam? Look at that. So I'm debating if I should just try to taste this or just take that, you know, that really good bite right there with the mini Oreo. I'm gonna just do it because YOLO. How they take Oreo cookie and just make it like 20 times better. Just when you think it couldn't get better. Top. That's one of my tops. Top favorite. I'm gonna take another bite. Hold on. Alright, I'm good. You guys, I'm actually really full, and as you saw, I'm only taking like little bites of each cookie. Like, you don't even need much with these. You probably need one of these and like a half of this, and that's it. You good. It's living up to its name. But we're gonna go for the regular chocolate chip and see what this is about. Okay. So this one actually reminds me, because of the filling, it's not as like gooey. It's kind of just like that straight up cookie dough. It reminds me of like the Funfetti cookie. So it's like, yeah, it's like the same kind of texture, but the chocolate is nice and melted. It's a lot of chocolate. I'm good on that. I can't even, yeah. All right, so we're going for the Reese's Pieces peanut butter cookie. Okay. I think this piece took the whole cookie. So I think this is like a chocolate chip cookie in there or something. I'll break it again. Oh, okay, I see. Oh no, that's peanut butter. I really don't want to taste this peanut butter one because y'all know how I feel about peanut butter. But I'll just do it for the video. So I think that is straight up peanut butter. All right. If you like peanut butter, that's your cookie right there. I could do with the peanut butter and jelly one because it have a lot of jelly, but straight peanut butter is like, why? How is that good? This one smells really good. Last but not least, I'm gonna try the oatmeal apple pie. And I'm actually excited about this one because it smells good. Ooh. All right, you guys, come down to the wire. This one looks good, so I'm going in. If you guys ever tried that oh god, I'm spitting. If you guys ever tried that apple cinnamon oatmeal, it's like if that was a cookie. Bomb. This is a good breakfast cookie. All right, you guys, so that was the last cookie. The last best tasting cookie in the world. I think all of these cookies really lived up to the statement. Again, I've never seen anything like this, and I think that these are dope. They taste delicious. And there's a cookie for everybody, I feel like, because it has such a huge like range of like different tastes and stuff, like really, really sweet to like mildly sweet to like, I feel like the chocolate chip is like the perfect chocolate chip cookie because it's not like too much, you know, like none of these are too much unless you're not a fan of something like I'm not a fan of like peanut butter, so that's too much peanut butter, or like the raspberry one. I would say which one is my least favorite or most favorite, least favorite, whatever, but honestly that's gonna be a long list because there's a lot of cookies, so I'll just say my most favorite and my least favorite. So my most favorite one, I feel like my most favorite one is the Cookie Monster one. I feel like that one was the best tasting one. Oh, and the Nutella one, the true Nutella one. Honestly, there were a lot of them are my favorite. Like my least favorite one probably has to be the peanut butter Reese's one. That's my least favorite, and then the raspberry after that, because the raspberry was kind of like, you know, it was like a little too much, too sour. But it's really good though. Like with ice cream, it could numb out some of that like sourness and it'll be like delicious. But anyways, that's enough talking about this. I feel like I'm ready to go to bed because those cookies were nice and warm and fulfilling. As I said, I only took a bite out of each one, but those were a lot of cookies, but these are very filling. I feel like you only need like half of a cookie for you to feel satisfied with dessert and everything. Also, I'm not much of a sweets person, so I kind of got like, okay, I'm done. I'm good, you know? Like I got my little sweet fix. I don't need any more. But anyway, with all that being said, I'm gonna leave the address for Brooklyn Bread down below. If you're in Brooklyn, definitely get you some cookies, some designer cookies with cookie dough filling inside. This video is not sponsored at all. Brooklyn Bread doesn't even know I'm doing this. They probably will never even see this, but yeah, I just thought it was a cool concept, and I really think these cookies are like the dopest cookies I've ever seen. So anyways, if you do decide to try it, if you live in Brooklyn or New York in general, and you do decide to try it, let me know which one you tried and how you like it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want more videos like this, then leave me some suggestions and stuff in the comments down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!